Riverworks Azalea Trail is still happening, but this is the car. That's so funny. 8th, 9th, and 10th, oh, it's finished. Yeah, the flowers are still out. It's so pretty. It's like the Rose Parade, but like Fisher-Price version. It's too funny. Okay, almost home. I'm in like the mediocre fancy neighborhood next to Riverworks, and about 2 miles and I'll be home to like the shit neighborhood. All right, I think we're having a hurricane. So I am down here. I've got Harriet's Easter basket, and it's rainy day time, so I am going to fold my clothes for my trip and try to organize some things, and then probably just veg out on Netflix for the rest of the day. But yeah, I have a door right here. I can go outside. Sorry, my house looks like a preschool at this point. Anyway, so yeah, it's pretty bad. Let's go take a look. Good morning. It's a rainy day. It's not raining right now. So I'm on the bike. I'm going to go do I think I'm just going to do 20 miles today. And then I need to get the van and go take it to the Nissan dealer and see if we can figure out the door and then maybe the sensor. And I need to start packing the van up. So I'm going to do that today, tomorrow, and I think Monday. I think I'm going to leave Tuesday morning and drive 8 hours to Lubbock. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Anyway, okay, let me get on my ride. All right, it's trying to rain all day today, but I think it's gonna hold up. So before I get to my storage unit, I'm going to the Igloo factory store. So we have the Igloo headquarter factory thing here in Houston, well actually in Katy. And the place is massive, and that's where I got my Beatles cooler, and then they lost the license for it. So I should have gotten all the ones they had, but they actually went into the warehouse, into the factory, and they actually went out and got me the Yellow Submarine one. When I saw it online, I said, please tell me you have this. And they said, yes, but we'll have to go back and get it. Come back in 2 days, we'll hold it for you. And the whole thing was like, I think it was like $14 or something, you know? So I'm gonna go in here because my fridge is not working. Camping World doesn't have the right size 12-volt fridge. I don't have time to get it on Amazon before I leave. I should have ordered it like a couple days ago, but I didn't because I'm an idiot. And so I'm just gonna park right here, and they do have some fridges and things. I do have a cooler, so let me just see if I can see if they have anything. I don't think they do, and I'm not entirely sure. Maybe I'll try a Home Depot or a Lowe's where I can get a 12-volt fridge. I know they don't have them at Walmart. I wish they did. Anyway, let me go in and see what they have. And I love it because the security guard is also in a cooler. It's kind of funny. It's like the coolest office. Anyway, they got a little VW bus over there, way off in the distance. And that one is also looking like a cooler. So let's see, this closed at 2. This is great, that's me. Okay, so yeah, you can get, they have these fridges over here. So that's what I was looking at. I was thinking, okay, maybe I can just get one of these if they're on sale. I don't know, I have no idea. Okay, there's this one, that's too big. Yeah, I might as well just buy a fridge. Okay, but yeah, they've got like fancy coolers, merchandise, t-shirts, mannequins, and they've got all the fun ones over here. So I got Harriet's school lunchbox from here as well. They got Basquiat, they used to have a bunch more. They bring them out as as they make them. And then over here they've got the canvas ones. Oh, that's cute. That's really cute. Oh, that's beautiful. Maybe she'll like that for her lunch bag. The backpack is $50, the lunch tote, and then they have Mickey Mouse as well. I don't know I can't remember if I bought the Mickey Mouse one, but she has one of these in purple. And then over here they've got like the tactical gear if you want to go hunting and have lots of food, even though you're hunting for your food. And then they've got like the small ones for cans. But yeah, I don't want to just get a regular cooler. I want one that plugs in. Okay, dilemma. Okay, that was a no, although they did look up a couple of the other like rolling coolers, you know, like the Bud Light commercial, are you the rolling cooler man? But unfortunately they don't have any. So they don't have one that would be adequate for, like, if you put it on my front seat. The smaller one that was only $100 would have worked. However, it's not going to work. So now I need to figure out where to go. Can I get on the freeway that way? No, I think I have to go, let me figure out, hang on. Okay, so there's no entrance to the freeway from the Igloo factory. So just be aware that if you keep going west, you're going to have to go up and around like I'm doing right now. But I stood there and talked to this guy from, oil and gas guy from Wales. A lot of Brits out here. And so he's like, where's your accent from? I'm like, whatever my accent is, I don't know. My fake British accent. So I'm like, yeah, I'm from Watford, just, you know, outside of North London. And he's like, well, it's from Glastonbury. And so I was like, yeah, you know, London, we don't care about anywhere else. Like, you know, it's like anything north of Watford is the north. It's like literally they don't even have city names. It's just the north. Anyway, so I am now going to my storage unit. I'm gonna get the van. It's raining. So now I'm gonna head to, first thing I'm gonna do is head to the Nissan dealer, because the rest of my day is kind of planned around if the door opens, then I can get some other stuff done. Then I'm going to go across the street and get my fluids checked, get my, I don't think I need an oil change. I should probably get an oil change, so I don't have to deal with one while I'm on the trip. But I'll take a look. I don't know if I'm close to getting an oil change. I might as well. You know, I'm very good on the oil changes, although I can, I think, go up to 6,000 miles without an oil change, even though I get them every 3,000 miles. So then I'm also going to get the fluids checked, the tire pressure checked, and then I didn't bring anything to pack in the van. I'm going to do that tomorrow evening. And then Monday's kind of just tying up loose ends, but I can't really do a lot if the door doesn't open because I can't even sweep. So I'm going to probably try to vacuum today as well. I'll just go to, you know, a parking lot somewhere and try to vacuum. I didn't bring the jackery. I forgot everything. I didn't bring anything. I just brought my suitcase for the weekend that I'll be up in some other place, so which you'll see later. So yeah, so that's kind of it. So getting out of Houston, it's getting hot here. Weather is shit. So it's, you know, I was very spoiled during Christmas when it was freezing cold, and we did have one big freeze. It didn't snow though, but it did get icy enough to feel like I was in a wintry place. So thank you, Houston, for a cold winter. And it's March and it's still going to be, you know, relatively cold, but it's getting sticky, and the sticky part is what I don't like. So I want to go to dry heat and dry cold, and I would like to go to mountains and red desert and, you know, just beautiful epic places. I don't want to keep looking at all of this stuff. You can see over here, oops, this is all like factories. I don't want to be like in factory land. I want to be in epic place. So okay, I'm actually kind of hungry too. What's happening here? There you go. Sorry, got to get like optimal frame, you know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm almost at the storage unit, and I will see you guys later. Again, captivating content with whatever I'm doing today. Okay, bye. Okay, here's the fun part about coming in here. Always hitting the sign. Whoops. Oh, over. Ow. You're gonna hear it. Everything's hitting. Okay. It's so funny they remember me. My eye is hurting for some reason. I got something in my eye. Okay, so no oil change. I just need fluids checked. So my hair is a mess. It was raining. Ugh, I need to like cut my hair. Just cut it all off. Get rid of it. I'm done. I'll put a hat on. I always have hats available. Okay. I gotta get this van sorted. It's already 4 o'clock and I haven't done anything in here. Oh, what a day. Okay. All right. Thank you. I literally hate driving onto this thing. I always have to do like a 20-point turn to get out. Okay, let's do this here. Alright. Alright, I'm done. now. All right, I always hate trying to get out of the Take 5 oil change. I have to do like a 20-point turn to get out of there. Okay, I am done. And now I'm gonna go to Katie Mills Mall and go find a dress. I need to buy a dress. I don't actually have a dress that I've worn in like 3 years. So I've been in workout clothes. And I had a everything bagel, and I think it was like super onion garlic. Not a good choice. So thankfully I'm a solo traveler, so no one has to endure the wrath of the onion bagel. Okay, so let me go right over here. I'm gonna go to Sunski Sports as well, and go take a look at what they have if I don't end up rear-ending someone. So anyway, well, boring video. Sorry. I'm gonna pop into Outdoor World quickly and go see if they have a fridge, and then head over to Sunski Sports and get some warm weather socks, and then go clean the van. It's funny, they talk to me in here like I know where I'm going. I'm like, I need a reference, like, you know, walk left past the sloth and then go past the hog and then over past the, you know, the deer, and then turn left at the shotguns. You know, it's like, give me a visual here so I can figure out where I'm going. Okay, so camping and the shooting range. This is like, we're in America. All right, yeah, we're definitely in people shooting country down here. So, okay, I don't need any clothing. I need socks. Actually, maybe I can get winter socks here. But I will still go to Sunski Sports because I do like looking around, and I want to see kind of what clearance stuff they have as well. I don't need a helmet. I don't need any camping stuff, and I just need a fridge that plugs in. Just a small one that I could also use in my car, so it's not like it's, you know, I'm just going to use it one time. Okay, and then we got waters. I don't need water. I just buy water. You know, it's like people go, oh, I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's like you always have to go to a gas station though, and you can always get food and drinks at gas stations. But these are useful. These, knowing me, I'll probably get one that already has a hole in it. Anyway, okay, I don't want to spend too much time in here. I want to just be quick and dirty. So let me figure out if there's anyone that works here. Because the people that shop here look like the people that work here. They wear the same shirts, so I have no idea. Okay, here's coolers. These are Yetis, so they're like $250. No, thank you. I don't know. Camping accessories. Yeah, so they have coolers here. See, the thing is, that's what I was trying to look at the Igloo store, but they didn't have one that was working. The one they had was broken. So I don't need a big ass one like this. I just want, yeah, this is the one that was like $100. I don't know. I don't want to. I want a fridge that works. I should have ordered the fridge a couple days ago. I would have gotten here on time. It's okay. I can live without a fridge. I mean, I can just use my Yellow Submarine cooler.